So we at the nice spot. My boy Joe with me. First time here. Everything all good. Getting that good practice in. Check him out. What's your YouTube?
Fog machine.
What's your YouTube channel, Joe?
Joe Mama.
Joe Mama FPV. Check him out. My boy Johnny. Got my boy Q over here. You know, Q, he running the timing system for us. You know, that's my boy. That's my ace right there. That's my boy right here, Garrison.
Yes, sir.
Nico Quads on the mic. It's all right. You been doing good.
Yeah.
Got my buddy out here watching, getting it in. You know. There it is, 37. Oh. That's why you don't need to hear your time. Yeah.